Hello, today let's talk about 3D printing. That's really cool. If you have this kind of machine here, you can print what you like with this 3D printer. Or it is an additive manufacturing. It is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. This is the first step, what you have to perform. You have to make a model on your computer, for example. And then, after you did this, you can prepare the machine, of course. The line has to be in a special temperature setup and ready to use. Of course, then you can take your model and get this to the 3D printer. It can be done in a variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined or solidified and under computer control, with material being added together, such as plastic, liquids or powder grains being fused, typical layer by layer, because it's a printing technology. In the 1980s, 3D printers techniques were considered suitable only for the production of functional or aesthetic prototypes, and a more appropriate term for it at the time was rapid prototyping. As of 2019, the precision, repeatability, and material range of the 3D printing have increased to the point that some 3D printing processes are considered variable as an industrial production technology. Whereby the term additive manufacturing can be used synonymously with 3D printing. One of the key advantages of the 3D printing is the ability to produce very complex shapes or geometries that would be otherwise infeasible to construct by hand, including hollow parts or parts with internal truss structures to reduce the weight. Here, now the process of the 3D printing machine is that he is adjusting itself, because today's 3D printers are really smart devices. You have a main plate on the bottom side. At this area, our new model will be built by the 3D printer. So, now it is adjusting time, and then we can start with the printing process. Really cool, because the printer now uses the data from the 3D model to print the model itself, or the object. It's really cute. Fused depositing modeling, FDM, which uses a continuous filament of a thermoplastic material, is the most common 3D printing process in use as of the 2020. And it looks really cool to make this, because you can print nearly everything what you can imagine on. The only step is you have to make a 3D model of it, and then it brings on the printing table, and then it starts printing. After it's done with the printing, you have a wonderful, really good object which you can use, for example, on doors like mine thing here. But you can make also nearly everything printed by a 3D printer. It's a really cool technology, and it is so reliable that it is easy to make this at home for yourself. It will bring you a lot of joy and a lot of working flow gaining to you. That's 3D product, 3D printing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.